Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best IPA is probably one of the most sought-after craft beers on the market, known for its bold hop flavors and aromatic profiles. Whether you're a seasoned craft beer enthusiast or just beginning your journey into the diverse world of IPAs, understanding what makes a great IPA can be a delightful exploration. From the crisp bitterness of a West Coast IPA to the juicy, fruit-forward notes of a New England IPA, there's a whole spectrum of tastes and aromas waiting to be discovered, making it a truly exciting category for any beer lover. Number 5. Craft Brew Single Hop IPA, Cascade, 1 gallon beer making kit. Are you tired of just drinking beer? Now you can become a beer maker with this all-in-one kit. It provides everything you need to brew your own delicious craft beer at home. Discover a world of flavor with our unique hop selections. Experience a range of tastes from piney and earthy to spicy and herbal. Find your perfect brew and enjoy the variety. This starter kit is designed for everyone, from first-time brewers to seasoned hobbyists. It's a fantastic way to learn the art of brewing with our easy-to-follow guide. Our comprehensive guide to craft brewing will walk you through every step. You'll gain valuable knowledge and skills, making your brewing experience enjoyable and rewarding. Each kit is carefully assembled with high-quality ingredients and a focus on sustainable practices. Enjoy a superior brewing experience with a product you can feel good about. Experience the independence and fun of brewing your own beer. This kit empowers you to create exceptional craft beer right in your own home. What we like. Want to try your hand at brewing? This kit provides everything you need to make your own delicious IPA at home. If you're a beginner looking for a fun and rewarding hobby, this is the perfect starting point. What people say. The directions are very easy to follow and include a bit about the process from a 1,000 feet overview. This 1 gallon kit is absolutely perfect to learn the craft of brewing beer. 1 gallon is perfect because it's very easy to handle, and if it did not turn out how you wanted or it got ruined somehow, tossing 1 gallon is not nearly as heart-wrenching as tossing 5 gallons. The packaging is good, the instructions are good. You have pretty much everything you need to create the brew and start fermentation. Number 4. Spiegelau Craft IPA Crystal Drinking Glasses Set of 4. Discover the superb quality of our craft IPA beer glasses. Made from robust, European-made, non-leaded crystal, they offer a clear, modern aesthetic that enhances any bar collection. These glasses are innovatively designed with ridges at the base to aerate your IPA, significantly enhancing its flavor. They are ideal for all IPAs and pale ales, taking your beer appreciation to the next level. Each glass in this set holds a generous 19.1 ounces, perfect for enjoying a full pint of your favorite ale. Their iconic design makes them a standout addition to your kitchen glassware. Enjoy the elegance they bring to your drinkware collection, along with the promise of longevity. These glasses are certified dishwasher safe, making cleanup after enjoying your IPA simple and easy. This set of 4 beer glasses makes an excellent present for any beer lover. They are a great addition to any glass collection and perfect for housewarming, weddings, or Thanksgiving gifts. What we like. Elevate your IPA drinking experience with these specially designed glasses. Their unique ridges are crafted to enhance the aroma and flavor of your favorite IPAs. If you're a true IPA aficionado who appreciates the finer details of beer tasting, these glasses are a must-have. What people say. The IPA has a good balance of hop flavor and bitterness, making it very drinkable. This IPA features a complex aroma with notes of citrus and pine, which is quite appealing. The mouthfeel is smooth and medium-bodied, complementing the hop profile well. Number 3. 4 gallons Isopropyl alcohol 99.5%, made in USA. Introducing our high-purity isopropyl alcohol, perfect for all your cleaning needs. It's made in the USA with exceptional quality. Achieve superior disinfection with a 99.5% concentration. This ensures maximum effectiveness for a spotless finish every time. Experience the difference of American-made quality. We use American raw materials, packaging, and manufacturing for a product you can trust. For your convenience, each case includes a free empty trigger spray bottle. It's ready for immediate use, making application a breeze. Our product is free from particles, metals, and trace organic content. You get pure, high-grade alcohol for reliable results. This offer provides 4 gallons of isopropyl alcohol in a convenient 4x1 case. It's an economical choice for stocking up. What we like. Need a reliable and pure cleaning solution. This high-purity isopropyl alcohol is perfect for a variety of uses, and the included spray bottle makes application a breeze. If you're looking for a versatile disinfectant and cleaner for your home or workspace, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Does not leave a residue and the included bottle is durable and works well. Used against possible bed bugs, found the product strong and easy to spray onto hard surfaces with no ill effect. We are using this for freeze branding our horses, which requires the highest percentage possible of isopropyl alcohol. Number 2. Isopropyl alcohol 99.5%, 5-gallon HDPE pail. Introducing our isopropyl alcohol, boasting an exceptional 99.5% purity. It's designed for applications where the highest quality is essential. This offering comes in a large 5-gallon container, providing ample supply for your needs. The durable HDPE pail ensures safe storage and handling. For your convenience, a spigot is included with this product. This makes dispensing the alcohol easy and controlled. We are proud that this product is made in the USA. It utilizes American raw materials, manufacturing, and workforce, ensuring quality you can trust. Experience the difference of its ultra-clean formula. It contains no particles, metals, or trace organic content, guaranteeing superior performance. What we like. For larger needs, this bulk supply of high-purity isopropyl alcohol is ideal. The included spigot ensures easy and controlled dispensing. If you require a significant quantity for professional use or frequent applications, this is the most practical option. What people say. It was delivered in a 5-gallon container that you see in the preview picture. Great cleaner, arrived faster than expected. Perfect for bed bugs. Number 1. Evita Derm Isopropyl Alcohol 99% Anhydrous. Introducing Evita Derm Isopropyl Alcohol, a high-purity solution for your needs. This product is 99% anhydrous, ensuring maximum effectiveness. Please note that this product is intended for external use only. Always follow usage instructions carefully. You are purchasing a convenient 4-gallon bottle of this essential alcohol. This bulk size is perfect for various applications. Experience the quality of our 99% isopropyl alcohol. Its anhydrous nature makes it a reliable choice for your requirements. This product is accurately measured and sold by volume, ensuring you receive the quantity you expect. Trust in our quality and consistency. What we like. This large volume of 99% anhydrous isopropyl alcohol offers exceptional purity for specialized applications. If your work or projects demand a highly pure, water-free alcohol, this product is specifically formulated to meet those stringent requirements. What people say. They consistently provide a very pure, top-quality 99% isopropyl at a great, bulk price. Isopropyl alcohol is one of the best cleaner solvents antiseptics around. I primarily use it to clean electronic components, contacts, etc., remove Sharpie, or other alcohol-based permanent inks paints, from hard surfaces, wipe down screens, and other heavily touched surfaces, to remove fingerprints, germs, etc., remove adhesive residue left by stickers, tape, etc. 99% isopropanol used in washing UV resin printed parts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.